Hello guys, I hope you're all well. Today I thought that I would do a bit of a crystal house tour. So just basically showing you all the crystals that I've got and where they are in my house. Because I get asked quite a lot on crystals. Obviously I'm no expert, I've only been using them for a few months now. But I think that's quite nice. It's nice to hear from a fellow beginner, like where to start. So yes, I'm just going to show you what I've got. I haven't got a great deal of them and I'm still learning about them, so yeah, this might not be that informative, but we'll see. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments as well if there's any other kind of crystal related videos you'd like to see, or just any in general. Saying that, comments keep being disabled on my channel because I've got kids. It's a whole thing at the moment, they're disabling comments for channels with kids. So if there are no comments, then go and follow me at Jessica Avey UK on Instagram, and you can message me there or comment on one of my pictures. And I'd love to have you over there anyway, so yes, anyway, let's go. So this is my dressing table in my bedroom, and these are the majority of my crystals. So I've got my rose quartz roller, which is what I use on my face if I've got like a moisturiser or a serum. I'll show you. So I would just roll it on like this. Rose quartz is the crystal of love and strength. So I just feel like I'm literally rolling love and like strengthening my heart vibes on my face while I'm doing my skincare. I've also got another large rose quartz here and a few small ones. This is actually a pendant that I can put on a chain if I want to wear it. And then these are mookaite. I love these ones. I just think these are really beautiful. I think these come from Australia. I've got citrine. Citrine is the happy stone, the sunshine stone, and I think that one's really beautiful. I've got a blue lace agate, that's a shell. What else? Smoky quartz, that's a really good one for protection. And that one's been shaped into a point. What else have I got? Amethyst. Amethyst are really calming ones. These are good to put under your pillow if you're having trouble sleeping. So yeah, I've got that one. And then this one Jasper actually got from a little excavation kit. And so he actually dug that one himself. Both of them maybe actually. And then this one is selenite, which is so beautiful. Look at how it catches the light. Yeah, that's one of my favourites, just to look at. It's so beautiful. And then this one is howlite, and this is the only crystal that I've got that gives me like a physical reaction when I hold it. So I've got it now, and it's like an anxiety kind of feeling. I'll talk in the camera. Yeah, it's like the physical signs that I get when I have anxiety, like that kind of heart palpitation-y stomach feeling, but not in a negative way, it's in a positive way. It's really weird, like really hard to explain. But yeah, it kind of looks like marble to me. But yeah, it's called howlite, and yeah, it's weird. It's a really weird feeling, and no other crystal gives me that. And then in Jensen's room, he's got a little red jasper, which is actually one that Jasper chose for him. We went to a crystal shop, and yeah, he picked this one up for Jensen. Red jasper is all about fire, which I just think sums up Jensen perfectly because he is a wild one. And then Jasper has got these ones. I'll show you in the light a bit better. So the one in the middle is Sodalite, and I can't remember what the other two are. I'm sure they're called blue something. But yeah, and the blue ones are very calming. And even though Jasper is a wild one, he's definitely the calmer of the two boys. It's all to do with like water, and yeah, that's what she said. She just said blue is very calming, and he's definitely the more sensitive one that prefers to sit down and do like arts and crafts, while Jensen's just running wild. Although they are both, I mean, water and fire are both wild, aren't they? But yeah, so they're Jasper's ones. Something that I forgot to mention as well is in most of the corners of the house, like in corners of the rooms, I've got black tourmaline. So black tourmaline is a protection stone, so it's good for warding off negative energy. So they recommend that you put it in the corners of the rooms. So I've got the washing machine on, you'll have to ignore the noise. But by my front door, so this is my hallway. Got the front door just behind me. I've got a huge rose quartz, which if you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen I posted a picture of, but it is just beautiful. And as I said, the rose quartz is for strengthening your heart, if you're heartbroken, or just to strengthen a current relationship that you've got. So having rose quartz in and around your home, on your person all the time, I just feel like it's a good one to start with. So yeah, a huge rose quartz. I'll link below in the description box where I got this one from, because I didn't actually get this from my crystal shop. I always say you should go in and choose crystals like in person, but if you like, I've already got a few rose quartz, so I know that I love rose quartz, so this one I just got online. And then I've got another black tourmaline. This is not quite big, like a little bit bigger than the other one, and I've actually got 3 here as well. They say to have it by the front door. I always say they say, this is like what I've read. But yeah, have it by the front door and it just wards off negative energy. They also say to put it above the door, but I couldn't put any above mine. And then I've also got here a clear quartz, which I don't know why I've put it by the front door. I just felt the urge to do it, and I feel like when you've got the urge to do something with crystals, you just do it because it's the crystals talking to you. So yeah, that is my little front door setup, and I just think it's good to have crystals as soon as you walk in so that people can just feel that love and that protection when they walk in.